How do you find the general solution of a differential equation? What is the integrating factor of a differential equation? In this video, I will cover how to find the general solution and find what the integrating factor is for a differential equation. And I'm given the differential equation dy over dt equals negative 12ty plus 4e to the negative 6t squared. So it's important to remember the formula for the integrating factor right here. It is e to the integral of p of t, which doesn't mean much right now because we have to rearrange the equation as we do in this step right here. We put the y on the left side with the y prime right here. So we grouped our variables. We separated our variables from each other. So now we can find that integrating factor with this equation and get our answer. So we have e to the integral of 12t dt equals e to the 6t squared. Now we have to multiply by that integrating factor. Keep in mind that we multiply everything by that integrating factor. After we do that, we will be at this step right here. This step is the most crucial step that a lot of people will mess up on. Right here, as you can see, that this e in the negative 6t squared, it disappeared. And why did it disappear in these two steps? That is because that the two e's that are integrating factor canceled out with the original e, because these exponents, negative 6 and 6, add up to be 0, and e to the 0 is 1. So this is really just 4 times 1. And then right here, at this d over dt step, all we did was take the derivative of what was right here and put a y right there. That's all we did. That's all we did. We just took the derivative with respect to t. We just put a y right there. Now we integrate. And as you can see right here, this will actually cancel out with this integral. So this will not change. This side of the equation will not change at all. You will be left with this. On the other side, we have a pretty simple integral of just 4 dt, which goes right to 4t plus c. And it is important to know that there is actually a hidden plus c that is on this side that I did not write, but it is actually standard practice because that plus c would be minus by this plus c. So really this c is equal to c minus c1. The c1 came from that left side of the equation. We just never wrote it. And it is standard practice to not write that plus c. So it is perfectly acceptable. And now all we have to do is isolate our y variable. As you can see right here, you can either finish right here, or you can say that this is your answer. Both of these answers are correct.